everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio. So I just recorded a tutorial, and at the end of the tutorial I'm like, I don't know if I should do an unboxing or not, and then I decided to do an unboxing, and it's gotten late in the day and I really wanted to get one last, it's the 10th, and I wanted to get it, I'm pretty sure it's the 10th. I wanted to get one last email out before it's the last day that everybody that's in club it doesn't have any time to add something to their club order. So, or if you're not in my club and you'd like to join for this month, today would be the last day to do that. So I've decided to swap these because it's not a huge unboxing, but it won't take nearly as much time to do all the things that have all the things that must be done for me to get a video up, a blog post done, because there's nothing to shop from because you can't buy it yet. So it'll be easier for me to get up. So I'm going to swap them. So at the end of the other video, if you hear me and you're like, oh, there's another unboxing, there won't be another one. I'm just doing them out of order. So come back tomorrow and you can see these cards being made. They're part of my summer series. The Spotlight on Nature bundle is on sale. So that will be coming. Then, if you're in Card Club, you can add on the Friends for Life or the, oh my goodness, I have such a hard time with the sparkling, whatever this sparkling. Oh, it's Simply Sparkling. It's laying right here on my desk. These cards are all done. I have one more card to finish on the Simply Sparkling. You can add both either one or the other of those bundles by the end of today, the 10th. Or if you're interested in joining my card club, go watch either of these videos and you can get the details. Go to my website. There's a card club page, or go to either of the blog posts about that and you can find that out. And then I'm going to show you. So I didn't get, it's such a dilemma. Last year I started it and this year I decided to enforce it more on myself. Part of the reason I do this is, is a lifestyle choice, right? And so it's very easy to, when you work from home, to let your job overtake you. And so I've made a conscious decision that in the summer, I'm not going to let the job overtake me, because I like to be outside. I like to enjoy my family. I like to do all the things. And so I consciously back off. So when it comes to a pre-order, if I order too much, then I sit there, one, I want to play with it, and two, I feel guilty because I spent the money and I haven't used it. So I told myself all I was going to get was the stuff for club, and I knew that I would still get more stuff. I didn't get a whole lot more, so I don't have a ton to show you, but I am going to show you that. And then I also have not shown you this stuff I got for a demonstrator event that I won't be able to attend. It is a virtual event, so we can go back and watch it. So I'm just going to show it to you because I have it, and that makes it so that and for some of you all, I know that what I call a small unboxing is a lot of stuff. I recognize that. But when you stamp every single solitary day and try to put out stuff for you to watch, then it becomes a little bit more. And I know when those of you that follow me, when you see this, you're going to be like, oh yes, she loves parts of this, because you're going to recognize the parts that I love. I have used this. I don't even remember what card I used it on, but I have used it. So the stuff in this little stack will be available in the holiday catalog. For demonstrators, we can start ordering that in August. For customers, you'll be able to get it in September. So those of you that are in Card Club in September, October, November, those will definitely be things that we get out of the holiday catalog. So this is called, I think it's Birch. I've already thrown out the wrapping, but it's an embossing folder. It's one of the big ones. Then this is the bundle. It looks a little bit like the paper, the celebration paper that we had I think it was this past year. But obviously, since you control the color, you can color it so it doesn't look. My husband has seen the dies, and he's already said those won't be in club, because if they are, he's not cutting them. It makes a beautiful frame. You want to see how beautiful it is? Because you may have seen my little video. This is the reverse. I don't have the other piece of it, I don't think. These pieces are from, if you are doing my Thoughtful Journey class, these pieces we're going to do in Thoughtful Journey. So, I loved shimmer paper, and we came up, me and my girlfriends, with a way to recreate shimmer paper. So this one has been cut out. It's the inside. of that. So it recreates shimmer paper, which is kind of fun. We're going to do it in Thoughtful Journey, and then we're going to do it again, and you'll see why I want to do it when we do July Club. We're going to do Christmas in July, and when you see it, you're going to know why I picked it. We saw it in Mexico. So those are the dies. Again, these are in the holiday catalog, but this is the part that I really love. You know, if you could love anything, love you some twine, right? Look how the brown and the green. Oh my goodness. I really wanted to use it on today's card, but I didn't because I don't want to use it up before the event. And then here are the embellishments that go with the suite. So Creativity Now is an online thing. They show you a lot of ways to use the stuff. I've never actually participated before. And this time I did it because I wanted the stuff, because I liked the stuff. Last year it was the translucent flowers. I never even got them. But I knew I loved all of this, and I wanted to have it early to kind of work with. But I know they also show you a lot of the behind the scenes of how they make things, other ways, but the same day that is the live, you can go back and watch it. I just don't have time so often. It's one of those things that when Stampin' Up! Does a virtual event, if I can get together with my friends, my other demonstrator friends, and we do it together, then that part of it makes me get together and do it. But for me to just sit and have time to watch uninterrupted, it just doesn't happen. So here's the paper. This piece is my favorite. I looked at it the other day when we were making the shimmer paper. One of my friends opened it. So that is from the holiday catalog. And then let's go. I don't know what of this goes with what. I do know a little bit. So this will be part of July Card Club. There will be 2 sets that you can add on. They won't be an alternate. You can just choose but one or both, because you'll see why. This one is called Greetings of the Season, and so it's got Christmas greetings, and then the dies that go with it are called the Greeting of the Season dies. I love that they have changed the dies so they have the same name as the stamp set, and they are just a bunch of tags. So if you're in Card Club and we use the tags on the projects, of course they'll come cut to you, but if you want to add them, you can. So we have Greetings of the Season. You can add that bundle in July, or you can make it all year round and add everyday greetings. I love this one, Where There Is Heartache, Let There Be Healing. Isn't that a good one? But it's got all of the occasions. Does it have wedding? I see anniversary and congratulations and best wishes. I don't see actual wedding. And I don't see baby. You know, you get in stages of your life where you use more words than others, but because there's best wishes, big day, you can make those all work. So that is the first bundle for Card Club. We should have gone the other way. We should have, well, I guess since July, Christmas in July, and Card Club comes before fall. And then this one's called Golden Greenery. So as a stamp set, if it was just on its own, I would probably be like, eh. Although, so they put this up on the screen in Mexico, and people were like, eh. And you know who the people were? That would be the husbands that cut for all of their wives' classes, because this one's good, right? And then there's these. And apparently my husband's not alone in his non-love for intricate dies. It's actually not too bad. I think it's the pines. So, but that's the other one. And the dies are beautiful, and they match the paper so well. It's really the paper, well, the embellishments too, that make this set. So we'll go on and finish this before we look at the fall things. I'm not sure which ribbon. I think it's this ribbon that goes with the suite, but we may use the other ribbon because this is obviously designed, well, I can't get it undone. I don't want to tear it. For packaging, it is satin ribbon. It's a little bit softer than past satin ribbons that we've had. So it works a little bit better for card making. Some of our satin ribbons sometimes are a little bit stiffer. This one's not, but this ribbon's beautiful and it's right up my alley. Like, I would just do spools and spools of this type of ribbon if I was the ribbon decider. Isn't it pretty? It is also vanilla, and it is called woven ribbon. It's gotta have a cream woven ribbon. So it's really pretty. So that's the ribbon. And more than likely, that's the ribbon that we will go. And then look at these embellishments. They are cherry cobbler and pearl adhesive backed berries. At least there's another word in our adhesive backed. So they're adhesive backed berries. And then we have, there's 2 papers. So the one paper will come in club. And then I haven't figured out how I'll get you the other one, whether or not it will just be pieces on some of the cards, or whether or not we'll do, sometimes, you know, I like to just give you goodies. So we'll kind of get a chance to play with it. So look, it matches, I couldn't match the stamp set any better. So once you put that stamp set with this paper, and it's all got gold foiling in it. It also, the dies will cut out the paper if you choose to see. Now you can see those bells. And look at that piece. Is that not fabulous? I hope you can see how pretty the gold is. So that is the first paper. And I know you're going, what? There's another paper? Wait till you see this one. It could be even prettier than that one. Except we need this one because this is, you know, they took away our vellum, but then they brought it back and just made it more fabulous. So this is our vellum. Do it one design at a time. So here's the vellum. It's like a Christmas version of Forever Fern. Remember that paper? So it has white on it, which white on vellum, you know, was always one of my favorite things to do. So there's 2 of that one. There's right side and wrong side. And then there is this one that has like, it's like somebody pressed their jeans after they sat in white paint. And that's kind of what it looks like. It'll be really fun to play with. So again, I haven't quite decided how to incorporate it into club, but it will be. We'll use it for certain. And then this one has the touch of white on the pine. So there's that. And then there's one more paper that I got. There's other papers as well in the online exclusives. There's another, at least one other suite. But like I said, I'm leaving next week. So I won't have time to play with this before everything is available. I will get, if you're in club, I will get the first card ready so you can choose if you want to add it. So this is metallic paper. Again, it is a vellum choice. It's not part of a suite. It's kind of splotchy. It has a texture to it where it's kind of been, this one not so much, it's more this one. I can feel it. So that one is also an online exclusive. Then the other embellishment is called Pecan Pie and clear ribboned adhesive back dots. So it's got like pieces of ribbon that go through it. I don't know if you can see it. Those are super fun. Some different embellishments than just adhesive back dots or adhesive back gems. So that's the Christmas things. I think these are part of maybe a fall something. There's some Halloween, there's some fall. So the 2 fall things that I did get, even though I told myself I wasn't going to, this is the Changing Leaves bundle. And, you know, I love me a good hybrid. So here's the hybrid folder. And then here, I have something missing. That's because I moved it. I thought I opened everything, but apparently my definitions of everything these days. In the spring, early summer, I always restart a migraine medicine that makes me lose words and get a little scattery. So I was addressing your things today. Those of you that got handwritten envelopes, oh, mercy me, doing addresses on this medication. I look, and then I look, and I look. It takes me 5 times as long to write an address, which when you have a lot to do, that's not fun. So this is going to lay in there, and it's going to press those, and then you can also stamp that. So I had to have it, right? I don't know. I want to find time to stamp it before. So I have a love-hate relationship with rain in the summer, because when it rains, then I can't go outside. So then I can stamp. But then I get mad that it's raining because I really want to be outside. And then the final stamp set that I didn't add, I placed another order for club stuff. And I was like, what the heck? Because it's a standalone and it's just going to be so much fun to stamp with. It's a scenic pumpkin patch. It could have waited till later. but I love pumpkins because orange is my favorite color. So we just got an orange front for our fridge. So that's the new stuff. If you are in Card Club, go add your stuff if you haven't already and you want to. If you're not in my Card Club, then head to my website and find out all about it. It's all online. And I hope you're excited about the July one. I've never done a Christmas in July, but this stuff's so beautiful. We just had to do it. I was afraid by the time the holiday catalog comes out, then there's so many Christmas things that it kind of gets overwhelming. So this will kind of give this stuff its own little special place. Have a great one. Bye.